Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and I'm also welcoming myself back because I am back. I know it's been a while since I uploaded any video on my YouTube channel, and I've missed you all so much, and I've also missed creating content because it has been a roller coaster of lots and lots of things for me. When I mean roller coaster, like I took a little break. That's not a little break. Last time I uploaded something on my channel was in March. So I took a little break. To me, it's a little break, but maybe to others, it's a while. I took a little break just to focus on myself and also to gather ideas. Yeah, and also to gather ideas. I just felt like I was all over the place in my channel. Today I'm posting something. I can post three different videos that do not even connect together. And that's not how it works, because there are a lot of persons that we log onto your channel and they watch a particular video and they want to see similar videos on your channel and they're seeing another thing. Or sometimes after they finish watching the video to the end, there's the way YouTube is going to recommend another of your video to them. So when they are watching a hair care tutorial and since they actually love it, they want to continue watching that particular video, and YouTube will recommend another video entirely, and they'll be like, this person is not serious. So I told myself that I have to focus on one thing I've always loved the most, which is creating of natural hair content. Like I've always loved my natural hair right from time. I just saw on my snap that I've been on this natural hair journey. Like when I mean creating of natural, because 4 years ago I was transitioning to natural hair. So I did my big shop in 2021. So that's like 3 years now. But since 4 years ago, I've been on natural hair, healthy natural hair and all, and I don't get to post any of the video. I just keep them to myself. So I told myself that now I'm going to create lots of natural hair content for you all. So I've actually been like I said, I've actually been creating natural hair content for like 4 years now, but only get to post few of them. So I want to take this as a full-time job for me, creating lots of natural content, sharing out to the public what has been working for me and what will actually work for them if they try it out. So you all should be expecting all natural hair content like tutorials on how to create um protective hairstyles, or probably the one that's currently on my hair. This is my natural hair. Then also watch the videos, that's full watch the videos, um how to protect your natural hair, DIYs of deep conditioners and the all, and also braiding, because I know how to make my hair. That is the problem right here. I can make my hair, but I don't post the videos of how I create most of the braids or the crochet I have on my hair. So now I'm going to be serious with that, and that is why that's why I took a little break, just to know what this channel is going to be all about. That I've told you all what my channel is going to be about. I hope you all will support me in this journey, and I hope and hope and hope to really give you all what you really want, which is tips on how to care for your natural hair and make you feel like natural hair is so easy to take care of. It's actually not that easy at the beginning, but as time goes on, it gets very, very easy. My hair used to be very, very strong, but with time and maintenance, my hair has gotten to a certain level that I really like, but not where I really want to be in my hair journey. And that's why I want to carry you all along. I'm a very lazy natural hair lister, or how will I put it in English? I'm a very lazy natural hair girly. I get lazy a lot when it comes to taking care of natural hair. So I know some of you all are very lazy like me. So let's flow together. Let's get the strength together. Let's grow together. Let's enjoy this new channel of natural hair creation and tips, and let you know that the black girls hair matters. Like our hair is so beautiful. You get me? You understand what I mean? So that's just it. So I'm going to, and I hope you all stick with me in this journey. And I promise not to let you all down. So if this is the kind of content you really want, this is what you've been looking forward to, you've been looking for someone that will take you through your natural hair journey, or you want to start your natural hair and you really need someone that has been there before and you want to grow with the person, or you want to learn from me, then please stick to my channel, because this channel is going to be about positivity, black girls beauty. You get me? You understand what I mean? So that's just it. I'm wondering why I'm looking down this way. Is because I wrote down few points and I don't want to really forget what I wrote down, and I don't want this video to be a very long video, so I'll be looking down to this place just to get the things that I really want to say. And also, please like this video so that the YouTube algorithm is going to refer it to someone that actually needs this video so that it can go far. So please do well to like my video, and also leave a comment on this video what else actually also you would like to see on my page about natural hair, and I'm going to create that video for you. And also let me know if this new niche is something you really love and what you think about this particular video. And the list of it, don't forget to subscribe and also hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. Get me? Whenever I post a new video, like, I'm really so happy that I'm back, and I'm happy, I'm really really very happy to have you all with me. I have just 70 currently, I have 71 subscribers, and I know that those people actually want to see the best in me, and that was why they subscribed to my channel. So me taking that long break, I know it's kind of how will I put it, it's kind of disappointing, but I'm back. I took that break so that I can get better. So I am back fully in this channel, and this is all about positive vibes. So let's have a little bit of conversation on the comment section, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Okay, probably wait. So I want to give like a little bit of a sneak peek about what my next video is going to be all about. It's going to be about preparing my hair, or preparing my hair for wash day, because I have issues with washing my hair and then having a lot of detangles and the rest. But there's a way I learned how to do it now, and I would love to share that with you. So stick with my channel. That's why I said you should put on the notification bell so you don't get to miss out from any of my video. Do you get me? So I don't know, I'm just so happy that I'm back, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.